One winter's night, when the cold wind blew, the engines found it hard to wank. What we need, suggested Toby, is a station. Crash! Fuck you, Toby.
That was good.
Tell us the story. Listen, but fuckers, I have a story. Once upon a time, began Thomas, there were three little cubs who lived in their own little shambles far away. Their names were Darth Vader, Luke, and Duke was the oldest, and named after his grace the
Cow
of Sodor. He was not proud of this and wanted to push off the little engines in. Fuck you, cubs. Whenever Duke did anything that Stuart and Falcon thought wrong, he would say, that would never suit his
cow.
Other engines crash. But Duke pushed off the other engines. Stuart and Falcon used to call him Grandpuff. They were fond of him, but they got very tired of hearing all about storm collection. Sometimes they would tease him and chant, "You fuckers," Duke would say. "Whatever are you engines coming to? Never mind, Grandpuff, we're only old at once."
Percy.
No! Well, you'd better mind, unless you want to end up like Smudger. What the fuck happened? Smudger, said Duke, was a cunt. He crashed into the Fat Controller and often came off the rails. I warned him to be careful, but he took no notice. Listen, Dookie, who worries about a few spills? We do here, I said, but Smudger just laughed. What the fuck? Smudger, fuck you, Dookie. Until one day, manager said he was going to make him useful at last. Smudger laughed. Why? What did he do? He crashed off the old iron bridge. He'll never move again. Hard times came. The mines in the hills pushed off Duncan. No! And the railway was muted. People came to buy the engines. Well, take Stuart and Falcon. No one wanted Duke.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Cheer up, Puffgran, called Stuart. We'll find you a nice railway, and then you crash. They tried to be brave and cheerful, but no one really thought their dreams would come true.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Duke's driver and fireman oiled and greased him one last time. They sheeted him snugly and said goodbye.
For always and always and always.
Duke was alone. Oh well, he sighed, I'll go to sleep. It'll help pass the time. Winter torrents washed soils from the hills. Trees and bushes grew all around. You wouldn't have known a shed was there let alone a little engine asleep inside. Ending! Exclaimed Percy. Ah, murmured Thomas sleepily. There will be, but that'll have to wait until next time. Fuck you!